Here are the top 5 global headlines today. Putin declares martial law in annexed areas. Russian President Vladimir Putin has signed a decree imposing martial law in 4 annexed regions of Ukraine. The decree allowed greater ability to limit movement to and from and within the areas and allows for residents of those territories to be moved to safe zones. A Kiev official said the decree would change nothing. It remained unclear how fast and how effective the new measures might bolster Russia's military position on the ground and what effect they would have on public opinion. India halts production of cough syrups suspected of links to child deaths. The Indian health authorities have halted production of New Delhi-based Maiden pharmaceutical company's cough syrups. The syrups, namely promethazine oral solution, Coflaxmalin baby cough syrup, Macof baby cough syrup, and Magrip N cold syrup, have unacceptable amounts of chemical and WHO believe are linked to the deaths of more than 60 children in Africa. More than 600 killed in Nigeria's worst flooding in a decade. The death toll from the worst flooding Nigeria has seen in a decade has passed 600 people, the country's humanitarian affairs minister tweeted. According to the ministry, more than 2 million people have been affected by the flooding. Brazil police rescue dog become internet sensation. A rescue dog turned police mascot has become one of Brazil's most beloved furry internet sensations. Dubbed Corporal Oliveira, the dog was taken in by Rio police officer Cristiano Oliveira, who found him in 2019 near his police station, abandoned, injured and hungry. The dog, decked out in a police uniform with a toy gun strapped in and sunglasses, has become the official mascot of the Rio de Janeiro Military Police's 17th Battalion, patrolling alongside his officer and running beside motorbikes. Australia commits to zero extinctions with new plan to protect 30% of the land. Australia has one of the worst world records on extinctions. The country has now announced a 10-year plan to prevent any more species from being extinct by protecting its most threatened plants and animals. Animals like koalas, mountain pygmy possums, greater guilders, and gang cockatoos are on the list of endangered and vulnerable species. Bureau Report, The Metro.